Hey guys, you're welcome. In today's video we'll be making jollof rice, just a quick one, very easy because I have already made stew, so I just need to boil the rice and just pour everything right inside. If today is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Mrs. Progress Innocent channel. In this channel I talk about my life in the UK, do a little cooking video and things happening around me. Indeed, if you love pastry, you love cake and you want to learn how to make them, feel free to check out my pastry and cake channel at Progressive Recipes. Indeed, yeah, it's Christmas season. You can get a lot of things, snack and pastries you might like to try for your family, and even Christmas cake, so feel free to check it out. So I start by cleaning out my sink, just getting things set to make sure everything is set for me to start cooking. This is Tesco chicken, large extra large chicken. I love this chicken because it gives me that freshness of Nigerian chicken. So that's why I love buying the Tesco chicken. So I start by cutting it into pieces. Yes, just getting everything set to make sure I'm quick, right on time. So feel free to like this video, subscribe. Child, this almost 3 months postnatal here. We are looking good, not looking bad. Yeah, though we are not tying anything on our belly, but we are getting there. Yes, we are getting there. Yeah, I know I'll be fine and I know I will lose more weight exactly when I start work. Yeah, sure. So I'm grateful to God for everything and I pray that He alone should take all the glory, because indeed He is the master planner of my life. So after cutting the chicken, I washed it immediately and I begin to sauce. Yeah, my normal sauce, just doing the normal thing I normally do, nothing extra, just washing out my pot, and I used my normal saucing method. Yeah, just getting my ginger, garlic, onions and fresh pepper if need be. So that's normal things I use when I'm saucing my chicken. Yeah, I don't know about you, but in this UK, very soon, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because very soon I'll be creating my own for jollof rice, pepper soup spices. Yes, in this UK, I'm not interested in Nigerian spices anymore. If the little one remaining in my store finishes, I'm not buying again. I'm going to be curating it in this channel. I've seen all the seeds that can give us that Niger beautiful vibes of jollof rice spice. Yes, those jollof rice seasoning you see online, we're going to be making it on this channel. So stick to this channel and don't forget to subscribe if you have not, because I've seen all the recipes, I've seen all the things I need, all the ingredients are all in the store. Oh yeah, I saw in one of the, I like a Pakistan store or Indian store, but whatever, the main thing is to just tell you the names and everything. So here I have my onions, garlic, ginger and fresh pepper. I'm going to blend them and use them to sauce my, this is the pepper stew I told you about I'll be using. So right away I washed it and I blended it with this my small blender. This small one, this particular small jar is especially made for dry things, but I use it for wet and dry. It can So right away I poured my garlic, ginger, onions and fresh pepper. I blended and I added a little, rinse with a little water, and I added my herb seasoning, just mixed herbs, a little of bay leaf, and I'll add my a little salt and nut cubes, that's Benny spice, and a little of my fried rice spice. Yes, I use it as if it's my curry. Yes, because I checked the ingredients, they are also good for jollof rice. So that's all, and I set to cook it. So washing out my rice and getting things ready immediately. Yeah. So right away, I'll rinse the pot out and pour in my stew and allow it to defrost before I start saucing it, making it ready for the jollof rice. Right away, the chicken is ready, so I'm going to be taking out the stock for our jollof rice immediately while I get the chicken ready to go into my air fryer. So I started saucing my jollof stew up because I added extra water, chicken stock, a little more knorr cube and a little salt in it, getting it ready to make it good. So I need to add a little crayfish, so I went out to get a little crayfish just to add a little bit of crayfish to it to give that jollof rice, Niger jollof rice taste. That is it. So immediately, and I start adding my rice. The rice was much, so I decided to add a little bit quantity that will be enough for this stew, and I use the rest for white rice. So okay, I'm preparing a this healthy smoothie that will be going with this jollof rice. This is yellow melon. I love it so much. You go going with it. I will be using it. I will be making a healthy smoothie with this yellow melon, just to cut it, make everything clean, and I'll peel the back, remove the seed, and get it ready. I love this yellow melon. Just try it. It's lovely, it's interesting if you have not tried it. Since I started buying it, I stopped buying the normal watermelon we know in Nigeria. That is the simple truth. So I'm going to be blending it with my blender. All I need is my Greek yogurt. Yes, if you jollof rice is getting ready, so just allow it to dry out a bit, and that is all. Jollof rice is almost ready. I'm checking my grilled chicken. You can say, oh yummy, look at that, looking beautiful. Trust my air fryer. So right away, everything is getting set, just remaining the smoothie. So I will use my blender for my smoothie immediately. So right away, I will get my Greek yogurt. I'll rinse out my blender immediately. Yes, I need to rinse it out. My blender, I will pour in this is my Greek yogurt. My Greek yogurt is over there though. I don't play with it. So right away, I want to drink my lemon. I love taking this lemon first thing in the morning. It's already late, but I still remember I have to take it. Yeah, I love lemon water. When I was pregnant, I enjoyed lemon water. So I'm still now a bit addicted to it because I love taking it at least once a day. But sometimes I forgot. So, but all the same, if I remember, I will take it. So right away, I'll put my Greek yogurt inside my jar, and I will start pouring in the yellow melon. This is the yellow melon. Little bit. If you want to add honey, but okay, it's okay. But this yellow melon is so sweet that you don't even need yogurt. You don't even need honey. But the second batch, I think I added honey in it, and that was it. This blender gives me everything I want in a blender. Indeed, eBay Mist, in case you want to buy, it's a nice brand. I can most specify. People are asking me, can I use it for pap? Yes, you can use it to make your pap. You can use it to make dry pap, wet pap. They are all you, as in all. This blender is 10 over 10. I'm testifying. I'm not advertising for them, but that's the truth. At eBay Miss, yeah, you can check them out on your Instagram. You can see them there on Instagram. If you still want me to share their details, I think I still have their details. Yeah, I can still help you and share their details to you. Look at that beauty. So right away, everything is set. Our white rice is even set. So I have to remove the water so that to dry, let it dry up, not to be very soft. So finally, this is the last batch and it's looking so nice. And this one is full. This is my milk container. So I just rinsed it a bit and used it so that my husband can enjoy this jollof rice here. So look at that, it's looking nice. So I need to flip it upside down. So that is that. You can see our chicken is ready already, but just like giving it a little bit of dryness more, and that is it. Thanks a million for watching my video. Please subscribe if you're new to my channel, and don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.